I'll guide you through fully verifying your identity and card on Google Pay without dealing with confusing app menus. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to payments.google.com to access the official hub. Log into your primary Google account to see your financial status. Look for any red alerts at the top right because they point you directly to the problem. If there are no alerts, navigate to the Payment Methods tab to check your cards. Find the payment method that is restricted and click the adjacent buy link to start. Now for card verification, after you add or select your payment card, Google will place a tiny temporary charge on your bank account for security. Immediately check your bank's transaction history online to find the 6-digit code included in the Google charge description. Return to the Google Pay verification page and enter this code to instantly confirm ownership. For full identity verification, you will need to upload documents to meet federal regulations. Upload a clear, color photo of a valid government ID to confirm your identity. If prompted, also submit a recent proof of address, like a utility bill under 90 days old, to validate your residence. Crucially, ensure all 4 corners of the document are visible and the information exactly matches your Google Pay profile data. Google will review these submissions within a few business days. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for more Google Pay and Wallet video tutorials, and check the description below for details. Thanks for watching.